So number 43, we've got a 100 kilogram block pulled at a constant speed of 5 meters per second across the horizontal floor by an applied force of 122 newtons directed 37 degrees above the horizontal. What is the rate at which work is done? What is the rate at which the force does work on the block? Okay, so the rate at which work is done we know is power. Power is work, the amount of work divided by the amount of time it takes. And we know that work is for a constant force is force times distance. Or we take the dot product of the magnitude of the force, 122, times the distance, times the cosine of the angle between them. But before I do that, first I'm going to recognize that distance over time is velocity. So instead of doing the dot product of the force and the distance and then divided by the time, I can just do the dot product of the force and the velocity. So that's what I've got here, the magnitude of the force, the magnitude of the velocity, times the cosine of the angle between them, and that gives me my answer of joules per second. Notice it's units of energy per units of time. The joules per second is the rate at which energy is being transferred to the block by the 122 Newton force. And we give that a name, the joule per second, the unit of power is called the watt. What? That's right, the watt.